Hi, how are you? My name is Moussa. I just did my driving test with Steve from Service New South Wales at Silverwater. I've done a couple of lessons with First Ride Driving School. Very professional, very sound, very, how can I say it, very explicit with details about driving and on the books. Also, they make you feel comfortable. First Ride Driving School, clear instructions, very professional, always on time, come to classes, and just made you feel relaxed, at ease, and no pressure. Whatever, very sound in their driving application, and they help you and guide you with all your results from start to finish. And one word, very professional. Thank you.
So which attempt did you get this license?
First go. I did the driving test today at Silverwater. I think I went for 20 minutes with the instructor. He was very happy. We didn't even finish the half an hour. He passed me straight away. 99 out of 100.
All right. Thanks, Moussa. And congratulations with your license. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.